I'm here with my friend Kristen, and we are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane. And this is kind of an oasis in the warehouse where they deliver the food. And this is like a teaching kitchen, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, they teach people that need to learn how to make fresh food and how to use all these wonderful things we grow here in Washington. And they teach them how to cook with them at home. And then they also have cooking classes for people who want to do more advanced cooking, and it's a great opportunity to come here and learn.
So I'm excited to learn from you what we're going to do today. We've got a lot of stuff going on here.
We do. Today we're kind of going to work with some of these things that are maybe a little bit lesser known that grow here in Washington.
Right.
And I'm going to show you a way that I like to use some random ingredients you sometimes find in your fridge, and that's that I like to make stir fry.
And peppers, eggplants, mushrooms, we have peanut butter, so peanuts, onions, all grown in Washington.
Yeah. This is my top secret recipe I'm sharing with you today.
Really?
Yes.
Awesome.
I know. This is when we were first married. My husband, I wanted to win him over to stir fry. And so I was trying to find some really great way.
He wasn't a stir fry fan?
I wasn't there yet.
No, okay.
I was trying to find some really tasty way that we could always have stir fry ready when we got home from work. And I came up with this sauce.
What's your name for it?
I call it the Asian Explosion Sauce.
You have to say it with flair.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I do. Asian Explosion. Awesome. So we're going to make the sauce, and then we're going to do a little bit of a stir fry. To get started, I chop onions while Kristen chops some ginger.
So the other nice thing about this recipe is that it makes a heck of a lot of sauce, but it freezes beautifully.
You're saying freeze it, so do you just put it in a bag?
I do. I put it in little Ziploc bag portions, and then that way during the week, like if you're having one of those nights where you know you have like some assorted vegetables in your fridge, and it just makes it a really fast way to throw together a dinner if you already have this sauce done and made and frozen.
Then we pulse the onions in a food processor and begin to saute them in a pot. So you have to tell me, did your sauce win your husband over?
It did.
Stir fry?
He is a proud lover of stir fry now.
Thanks to Asian Explosion.
Yes.
While the onions soften, we pulse some garlic and ginger and add them to the pot to cook for a few minutes.
Okay, these are looking nice and soft.
Okay.
So now we're gonna add a lot of the ingredients for our sauce.
We add tomato sauce, sriracha, mirin, water, soy sauce, and honey. One of the fun things that we were able to do was go to the Snow Valley mushroom farms. Have you ever been to a mushroom farm before?
I have not.
It is the coolest thing I've ever seen. They grow on these like blocks of earth, right? So they create their own earth.
Oh my goodness.
That the spores grow out of. And so you walk into like a big room and there's just shelves of these blocks of earth with mushrooms growing out of them.
That is fantastic.
It is the coolest thing
I've never seen it.
It's really neat. After we bring the sauce to a boil, we let it cook for about 3 more minutes. How's it looking?
It's looking ready for peanut butter.
Okay. We got it. It's a good thing that I didn't have a spoon. I would have eaten that.
Then we would have been short.
Yeah, we would have been short.
Yeah, this part, it's as soon as you add the peanut butter, you can watch the sauce really thicken.
Yeah. Once the peanut butter is added and the sauce has boiled, we blend it until it's smooth. To finish it off, we add in a bit of fresh cilantro. Now that our sauce is complete, it's time to make our stir fry. Okay, so sauce is ready to go.
Our sauce is done.
We have some rice. Now we just need the stir fry part with all these great Washington-grown vegetables. We chop all our veggies and then fry them in batches with sprinkles of salt and pepper. Kristen lays all of our colorful veggies on a platter. We add some chicken, and then our stir-fry dish is complete. Looks lovely!
Thank you.
Yeah, so just a rainbow of colors.
I think it has such a level, like it's a very lively presentation.
It is.
So it's nice to put on the table.
And then people can just kind of grab what they want. All right.
Some of my kids avoid certain sections.
Yeah. Let's do it. I'm excited, and I'm super excited to taste Asian Explosion sauce.
Well, this is fun to know too, because there are times where maybe if you do a CSA or if you go to the farmer's market and you come home with some vegetables that you want to find some way to use them, but you're not quite sure. And stir frying is always a safe way to try.
And you'll have the Asian Explosion sauce in your freezer.
Yes,
ready to go. Exactly. We drizzle our Asian Explosion sauce on top, and finally, it's time to try. Asian Explode. To get the recipe for Kristen's Asian Explosion stir-fry sauce, head over to wagrown.com.